There are so many things you can do with fresh Madagascar vanilla beans. This is a pack of 50, and there's so many things you can do with this. Let me show you how to extract it so that you can then use it from there. What you're going to do is just grab yourself one bean. You don't need to work with one at a time. I like to kind of just flatten it first, and then I will score it. And you want to go deep enough to cut through it without cutting through the entire thing here. And then you're going to use the back of your knife, the non-sharp side, to extract all of that. I didn't cut all the way through there. To extract all that, just like that. It's going to come out nice and easily here. And there you go. Got all that from one bean, and I'm going to go back over this again and start a little higher up to be able to extract this. Now, this is going to be great for vanilla extract, and I love that this even comes with a recipe. And there you go. The more you go back over it, the more you're going to get from it. But this also comes with a recipe on how to go about making your own homemade vanilla extract. And it's simply this vanilla bean that you are extracting from the bean itself, this kind of like pulpy material. It's just this and vodka, and you can just put it together. You can put the whole bean in there. You can take out the pulp. People do it different ways. They include their own recipe on how to go about it. I use this also for making vanilla bean ice cream. Instead of just having a plain, boring, flavorless ice cream, I'll use the vanilla bean itself. This can be used to flavor different items, can be used in baking, making your own vanilla extract. So many great uses for this. And this is a 50 pack. This is a high quality vanilla bean. This is all natural. And it smells amazing. Oh my goodness. The smell of this, it doesn't get more pure than this. Highly, highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.